A trick that took me 2 years to land, and I wouldn't have done it without the help of a bunch of people. But before we do that, we got to see if my jaw can handle riding, because it's been way too long and I'm going crazy. Got a clip last week and it didn't hurt. It felt pretty good. And the reason why it didn't hurt is because I didn't jump. My jaw has just been unstable for 2 months, and it was just it's crazy. It's so stupid how something like that could take you out. I get this night guard thing in a few days, and that should be the solution to this whole mess. And if after wearing that 1 week, it should decompress the jaw and it should be good. So May is the rebuild month. I apologize for not making videos. It's just like I've said it before, if I'm not 100, I feel bad to just make a video just to put out there. But this one's actually really important because we're checking in, making sure we're healing. Please don't grind your teeth at night. If anyone ever tells you, stop it, figure out a solution right away, because it could lead to this. And the second thing is, well, first let's just do a whiplash and see how it feels. Everything was just hurting. Anytime I landed, even if I lifted my front wheel and just putting my front wheel down, that vibration just went straight up to my mouth, and it gave me a splitting headache for 3 days every single time I just put my wheel down. So I needed to rest. As much as I wanted to ride, it was smart. Let's try whiplash. It's been crazy long. Not bad. I can still feel it. Like, I still feel like if I were to just do a finger whip right now, I would be in excruciating pain for a month. Yeah, a lot better, but even just putting my foot down, doing something where I'm just doing like a heavy step, I can feel the vibration. So I need to decompress it, let that heal. It should take a week. That's what they say. And then I should be able to take some impact, because man, I haven't jumped. I feel like to do a triple whip is gonna be extremely hard just because I haven't jumped in so long. So I have to retrain jumps. We'll get there. There's been so many missions on this channel, so many missions in life, and this is just another one that we have to beat. If you're down to conquer this mission too, I appreciate it. You can sub to the channel. I'm gonna try to just do 2 more things. The idea is to be very light on the feet. So this is kind of cool. Maybe you can get some ideas if anybody's ever injured or needs to be very quiet in certain, I don't know. Trying to come up with those type of tricks right now. Very light-footed, no impact tricks. Thank God for Flatland. And maybe do 2 more, and then I'll let you guys know the news. This news applies to every single human on Earth. Even though I'm a YouTuber, I don't want to be too much of a YouTuber where you hook them in the first 3 seconds and they'll be like, oh my God, I have something to tell you, then like wait till the end. I'm not gonna wait till the end, I'm gonna tell you right now. I just launched my website. This is a different website than usual. I have my shop, John Reyes for merch. I've had other websites before, but this is a completely different website. This is johnreyes.co. Now, what johnreyes.co is, it's an online coaching system. I do one-on-one coaching. I'm gonna be doing cohorts. And this is for anybody and everybody. If you ride a scooter, this will work. If you ride a BMX bike, this will work. If you do anything and you just use the internet, this will work. So the idea for this platform is to teach everyone everything that I've learned over the last 20 years of making a ton of mistakes, trying to understand how the internet works and how to make a living while using the internet, because that's how this whole thing works. We're using YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, brand deals, sponsorships, trying to get views, trying to make sure you lock in long-term success and trying to adapt to the social media as things change, algorithms change, apps come out, apps go away. So this platform is to guide someone on how to use the internet in order to be successful. So if you're looking to get views, you're looking to get subscribers, you're looking to get followers, you're looking to just figure out how to use the platforms, how the algorithm works, how to make revenue, or if you want to start a brand or a business and you're going to use social media in order to, fuel that business, which most businesses are online nowadays. Everything that I learn, I'm going to download. Well, everything that I learn, I'm going to use this platform to have one-on-one coaching, live calls, to download my brain and everything that I know into the next person's brain. And what I'm doing right now is I'm actually doing 10 free calls. So 10 free consultations, because I kind of want to hear people out and see what issues there are. I'm really confident that no matter what you swing at me, if you're trying to do something online, I can help you. Just because I've been doing this for 20 years and I can cram everything in way less than 20 years. Maybe a few sessions and you can be in my head and you go, oh, that's how it works. That's how you make a living riding a scooter, riding flat, which, it isn't the most popular thing. If you're inspired or passionate about using the internet and social media for something that you enjoy to do, or starting a brand, business, no matter what you are, even if you're a parent and you're trying to figure out how to introduce the cell phone to your kid. There's so many things that I've learned, and it's not like I learned them yesterday. It took so long in order for me to figure this out, and why I'm launching it now instead of launching it 10 years ago, because I didn't know as much. But that's why I launched. So it'd be awesome to see some of you on there. I'm doing live one-on-one calls. I'm doing 10 free ones. They're 30-minute calls. And the reason why I'm doing this is because there actually has been a handful of people over the last 2 years that I specifically helped, came to me for questions, and these questions were, to me, seemed very simple, and they were very challenging for someone else. And unlocking these answers for these people over the last 2 years has led them to so much success. Like, people, there are 2 people I know off the top of my head, 30-minute conversations with, and they quit their job, and they had good jobs. They quit their job, and now they're doing their own thing, and they're killing it, and they completely set themselves free financially, which is really awesome. And those are just 2 examples. So it'd be cool to talk to you guys. I mean, if you know anyone, if you want to do it, or if you know anyone that's just using the internet, just needs a hand, I'm doing these free calls, so there's nothing to lose. And then after that, obviously, I'm going to try to do this thing where I'm like really going to dig deep into people's analytics and other things. That'd be cool. Something different. I didn't realize I'll be doing this. I just realized that over the years, I was doing it on the side without realizing I was doing it. And then people are like, yo, you should do this as a thing. And I'm like, okay, you know what? Fine. So I'm listening to the people and did this. If no one came to me, this wouldn't be live. But so many people hit me up, and now it's a thing. So it'd be awesome to meet people and help you guys out, because that's what I'm so addicted to. I love learning tricks and landing tricks. It's my favorite thing. So this is like the new version of that. I'm gonna help other people land tricks, or like land the internet. So enough of that. We're gonna probably do 2 more things. I don't feel awesome with the jaw. I mean, it feels way better. Like, I can talk. Before, 2 weeks ago, I couldn't even talk without having a lot of pain. So let's try to do maybe 2 more tricks. I can't bar twist. I used to do them a long time ago when my scooter was small, and now my scooter's bigger. I can't do it. It's not an excuse. I just suck at the trick now. But when you do a certain trick in flatland, and it's called the inside stick, you basically bring the pegs or the front wheel up like this. And as you come here, this position allows me to still be able to do this trick. It's not like a real bar twist, but from here, let me see if I can angle the camera. From here, as I'm doing a wheelie, I can do a bar twist and then bring it back. It's the only way I can do it right now. Maybe what I'll do is in the summer, I'll try to relearn that trick for real. But in the meantime, especially since I can't jump, this actually works out pretty good. Let's see if I can do it. I'm not the best at this trick, but it'd be nice to at least do a bar twist, just to say I can do one. Maybe we can do a double bar twist. Nice and easy. This energy, this positive energy, it really like gives me chills every single time I read a positive comment. So that really goes a long way. It actually helps me fight through all this stupid human body things. But it really goes a long way. So I appreciate that. Thank you so much. And now it's my turn to inspire more people, which is why I launched johnreyes.co. Looking forward to seeing you there. This is very exciting. I'm feeling good. I'm trying to make videos more often. I'm just pacing myself with healing, so bear with me. We'll make some shorts in the meantime just to keep you guys in the loop. Appreciate it. This is fun. I did a double bar twist. That's insane.